Sri Gurubhyo Namaha. Welcome to Online Teaching Academy Ekalaiva. Hi kids, how are you all? Welcome to today's session. Today we are going to learn how we should be safe and healthy in our life. In these quarantine days, you have learned already how we should be safe and healthy. Can anyone say how we should be safe from COVID-19? Good. We should wash our hands frequently for at least 20 seconds. Then, yes, we should maintain social distance. Then, no handshakes. We should stay at home. These are all the safety things. Yes? Let's start with this slogan. Early to bed and early to rise makes a man healthy, wealthy, and wise. Our lesson name is Be Safe and Healthy. Yes, these are healthy foods. Yes? What about this? Junk foods. We should avoid junk foods. Yes? We should eat only healthy foods to keep us healthy. What are the objectives? Needs for keeping ourselves healthy. The key to good health. A need for keeping ourselves safe. What does health mean? Health is a state of complete physical, mental, and social well-being and the absence of diseases. Good health is not something which we can buy. Yes, we can buy good health from shops? No. Good health is of overall well-being of a person. Healthy body plus healthy mind gives happy life. Here, the 5 keys to maintain a good health. Healthy food. We will get good health from healthy food. Regular exercise gives us stamina. Cleanliness makes you more hygiene. Correct posture improve our memory. Proper rest make our body and mind to be rebuilt. These are the 5 keys to maintain a good health. First, we are going to see about healthy food. Healthy food. Healthy food and nutritious food give us good health. Yes? Yes. Fats and sweets are favorite for you all. Yes? But it is the worst eatable thing for our health. They contain high amount of calories which are very bad for our health. What it will make? It makes us more fatter. Fruit and vegetable give us vitamins and minerals and keep us healthy. Fruits which are full of essential nutrients provide energy and growth to the body. We also need carbohydrates that we get from cereals, wheat bread, rice and potatoes. So we should have healthy foods daily. Yeah, the 4 tips to maintain a good health. We should not keep our food items open. Always we should cover it with a lid. We should clean our utensils properly and cleanly because germs will be present if you are not cleaning it properly. We should wash our hands before and after eating. Eating well-cooked foods and eating fresh fruits and vegetables make our body healthy. These are the tips to keep ourselves healthy. Next, we are going to see about regular exercise. What's your favorite sports? Good. How often do you play it? Okay. We should play any games daily to make our body fit and healthy. Physical exercise makes our body strong and healthy. It improves stamina in our body and immune system. If immunity power improves, we can fight virus and bacteria. Not only exercise improves stamina, but also daily activity like swimming, dancing, cycling, and playing fun games keep us healthy and fit. So play daily, enjoy, and be strong. Cleanliness. Cleanliness is a habit of maintaining our body, home, and surrounding neat and clean. Every morning, as soon as you get up, you must clean your teeth and should take a clean bath. Trim your nails weekly twice. Wearing neat and clean clothes, we can maintain a good personal hygiene and keep our surroundings clean. You will? Good. Next, correct posture. What is posture? The position in which we sit, stand, and walk. Posture is the position in which we sit, walk, or stand. Good posture keeps our muscles and bones in shape. While sitting, we should keep our back straight and shoulder back. How you are sitting now? In a correct posture? You are sitting straight? Very good. If we sit straight, what are the benefits you know? It helps us breathe properly and improves our memory and concentration. So kids always sit straight while reading and especially while you're watching TV, and also avoid using your parents' cell phones to play. See the picture? You can see the correct posture? Yes, the first is the correct posture. How the man is sitting straight and working with the laptop. Good. Next we are going to see proper rest. We all need rest after the whole day activity. Yes, we have a time for everything like eating, playing. In the same way, we have to take proper rest and sleep. And like our basic needs, it is necessary for our survival. A person needs to sleep at least 8 hours in a day. Children between age of 5 to 12 years need to sleep for at least 10 to 11 hours each day. Or if sleeping at least 10 hours, you should sleep and take rest. Sound sleep help our body to repair and rebuild the body and mind. When we have a sound sleep, what will happen you know? Our brain sorts solves and stores information while we sleep. Yes, now we came to points to remember. First one is good health. Good health is the state of overall well-being of a person. We can maintain good health by eating healthy food, by doing regular exercise, and taking proper rest. Healthy foods provide energy and growth to the body. If you follow these tips, we will have a good health. What is that? First, healthy food. Next, regular exercise. Next, proper rest. Then, personal hygiene. Then, sound sleep. Then, cleanliness. And the last is correct posture. Kids, have you all enjoyed? Okay, we will see in the next class. Until then, be safe and healthy. Thank you. Thank you, kids.